Drink one cup of tea. I drink one cup of tea if I go to work. My boss give me mint. Hi. My boss give me mint, so I drink my mint tea before I go to work. And then I start walk by 7:30. I start walk. Because I can't drive go to work, my love. You saw it itch me. Blood too sweet. Yeah, I drink my raw mint tea, my love. And then I head out to work. Yesterday I was talking about work to live or live to work. Who is this? Anna. I can't take on nobody right now. Live to work or work to live. Today's topic is just, I'm a Jamaican living in London. I've been in London from 2000. I have my son 2002. Yeah. Father left him when he was 2. Gone left way. Hi Patricia. How are you? Yes. I want to talk about the father them we get people pregnant and gone left them. I want to feel when on the picnic grow up big now and I do well. I want to feel when on get people pregnant and then leave them. My baby father left me and my son when he was 2, my love. Left we have to struggle. That little bitch. Lord God. TikTok soon ban me again. I call people bitch. Nobody go report my page because every minute when I report my page, me have to start over again. You see you, me love Patricia, yes, and we have to do it by ourselves. Now look at them. My son, I do well. I'm proud of him. Yeah, I drink my tea now and then head out. I eat no food because I'm big and fat. See me to love. Yeah, Patricia, so them love. Get people pregnant and then them gone. And they left you with 1 pitney, and gone to all woman with 8 or 9 pitney. Make that make sense. My baby father, they have me and one next woman pregnant. And me never know until baby born. When baby born, my love, woman call me and make me know say baby born. And how him not help. So Ross, how are this? When me call him and ask him what go on, he might try deny it, then he have to say yes. And when baby born, me know about woman, me love. I never know nothing about the woman until she tell me. Then true mama can't get the man now. And she can't bother with the baby. She send the baby to Jamaica. When she send the baby to Jamaica now, them not understand themselves. So the baby come from England, not supposed to bathe in a cold water. Then go bathe the baby in a cold water. Baby catch up pneumonia and dead. When the baby catch up pneumonia and dead now, him say him go funeral. Him not have papers in England, but him say him go funeral. Man pack up himself and go on a funeral. Can't come back to England. When him can't come back to England, no man a go call me and say, me and my son must come to Jamaica. My mother would never ever receive me at Jamaica. Because them time them not have paper. Try work out myself in England. You breed girl and gone down. Gone bury dead baby. And me and my pitney must come down. See me and my pitney here. We in a nice comfortable place now, my love. And my son having nice, comfortable job. And me meet some nice, comfortable people. And the two are we just nice and comfortable in a foreign country. And him now married 2 times after him left me, my love. Me can't manage him. I saw it go. My son, me never going anywhere. Me never go. You crazy? And me come to England for make the pound them? Crazy. Me don't start my life here, so me not go to next country, go start all over again. Crazy. See me and my son good to go. Then Lisa buck up some crosses, man. Jesus Christ. Serena, hi. Serena Ear Salon, big up Serena Ear Salon and Patricia Hype. Buck up some crosses, man. K Spicy, good morning. Buck up some crosses, man. Jesus Christ, me buck up one man. The man would have stressed me out. Restraining order. See there? See TikTok I send myself a swipe for. Me nah go talk, but me not for talk. Yeah, restraining order upon me, my love. Me have to get restraining order. Get restraining order upon the man. The man I'll take him car keys, scrape up my car, the four door them, money that. Punch a tire, 4 tire, money that. The man would have kill me when me tell the man say me no want him. Restraining for what? Him just again, big old man just again. Me I try with the man and the man just again. With him diabetes self when I go nowhere, you know what that mean. I can't talk certain things on TikTok. He nah go and good down there, so. No, I'm Scott, I am a dental nurse. Him nah go and good, me love. And him just want give a big trouble. Me love dance and go on with myself and the man say when me I wind up myself in the house, man say me I practice for bad. That's what him say. Me I practice for bad. My life I go jump. My life I go jump because me I go walk. Go work. Try to look up snacks in my bag. I put on my glasses because I can't see for big up people. Hi, Chrissy. Mojo, I'm a dental nurse, Mojo. I drink 1 cup of mint tea because my boss give me raw mint, you know. Raw mint when I boil. Yeah. Give me raw mint, my love. Raw mint. So my raw mint here, I keep on a boil it and drink it at morning time. Flip back my camera, my love. Yeah. So let me drink my cup of tea and come head out. So me and my son struggling in England until we're good to go. My son know it go. Ladies, you see when on a morning friend loving your hair, thank you. You see when I have big grown pitney, great thing take time. Yes, me know Serena. You see when you have grown boys like me have my son at 20 and him have him girlfriend. Me and my 3 kids them too. Oh yeah, me know that Patricia, me know the 100. Yeah, when I have on a grown boy kids and they have them girlfriend, you don't go in them business. Don't go in them business and tell them what to do and what they not to do. I feed them life and live their life and make a mistake. You can't go guide them, but you don't go in them life. Me love my daughter-in-law. Big up Sarah. Me love my daughter-in-law. She work and my son work. It was them work. Right now my son are there here now. Me alone in this place. I soon rent out in room. Cause Sarah in there. I can't accept nobody right now. Cause talk me attack. When I go disturb me conversation and show me off. When I have on a boy pitney and they have baby and they have them girlfriend on a door mingling in their life. Make them live their own life. You live your life already. My son, I can't tell when last I see my son in here. My son just passed through for clothes and gone. Let me take up my handbag and my jacket. My son only passed through for clothes and he gone back a Sarah, my love. Ali Hussein, I'm not accepting anybody in my life because you're going to throw off my conversation. People want to top up the life for me. 13 I want to dip on my life. Top. Because the other day, every minute TikTok suspend me something and so I can apply one day after. So sometimes I don't understand these TikTok people them. No, them say me dip on a trial. Let me take off. My sink. I wash up my plate then before I come out, my love. I don't like dirty place. So I have 2 plates in my sink. Wash them up before I come out. Cause you know, sometimes you go out and people want to come home with you. They can't come home with you, my love, because your place dirty. No dirty kitchen around here. That's another thing my mother teach me, you know. Wear clean drawers. If you drop down a road and people pick you up, don't forget your jacket, even outside, lovely. My jacket in my bag right here, so let me show you. Wanna share the live and like up the live. Like up the live. Yeah. And wipe off on the sink because the water stain no look good, my love. So I wanna not understand on the kitchen, you know. Because I want the kitchen. Wipe off on the kitchen, my love. If I can. So I wanna can do the scrubs, you know. Thank you, Patricia, for sharing my life. Big up yourself. So I wanna know if the scrubs, you know. Yeah. Yeah, as I was saying, when I not have young boys, young man, all I can do is guide them, I can tell them who to talk to, and I can mingle in them business. The only thing me teach my son is not to disrespect woman. Don't disrespect woman and take care of your girlfriend. See, the kitchen good to go. See my jacket here, my love. My jacket there. See my jacket in my bag. See jacket in my bag. And I left my jacket and my umbrella. See kitchen clean. No dirty kitchen around here, my love. Fix a curtain, Lisa. And I leave my window open. I should cut piece of Easter bun and carry. Kitchen clean. From my kitchen clean, me good. See little rubbish from I have here. I cannot, let me turn off invite live. She saw me little rubbish now when I go dash. Wait there. I flip back my camera, my love. My kitchen clean. I can't go about my business now. Key in my bag. So, I go walk now. Mama. Yes, Patricia, nice and clean around here. No dirty place. Me alone in here, make me spray a little more spray upon my body. Yeah, that's it. And I'm out of here. Take up your rubbish, Lisa. Drop your door. See if everything like me have who have a problem like this? Check every minute if there's something them lock off. Me, everything have to plug out. I can't have nothing plug in. Everything I have to plug out. Me stress if nothing plug in and me gonna work. I feel like same place I go catch a fire. Beg you a slice of the bun. Yeah, and the cheese with it too. Knock up the place, please, sir. Yeah, when I have a little young adult, them, especially boy picnic, on a don't mingle in a them love life. Let them live their life, my love. If I'm going to live, it might wait me in the house. Up on my shoulder, little bag. Yeah. 7:32. You should have on my way already, you know. Yeah, if I'm going to the lift, it might cut off. So I'm going to take the stairs. I take the stairs go down because that's easy. I take the stairs come up below. Take stairs come up. Take stairs come up. I have to go climb. Lovely. Lord of God. Hey, sometimes when the lift now work and you go shopping, you know, you have to climb the stairs. Good morning, London. Yeah, good morning, London. Come out bright and early. Go dash for this. Yes, when you not have on a boy picnic, don't mingle in a their love affair. You can only guide them, but don't tell them what to do. Then live their own life. I'm going to keep on my glasses. Cause girl are reading glasses. Girl can't see TikTok fine print them, my love. If I Facebook that different. So thank you guys for joining my live. Anybody on this live going to work? May I put it up in the ear little till I come out of my ear, cause you can't make people know. But you live on them something there. So as time goes by, I go put it up back. You know? Who's going to work today? Or who's staying home chilling? They want to stay home, you know. But when you sign on, my love, when you sign on Palm Benefit, come like them own you. When you sign on Palm Benefit in England, yeah, come like them own you. Every minute you have to go in, go sign on and them something there. Them bother you. So, my day off. It's your day off. Mr. Walker, Florida. FL, what is that? UK. Are you day off? Gary J, good morning to you too. Yes, it's a good morning. It's a lovely day today in the UK. Although the place looks so. You know, see no sun a shining, no? Not a ratted sun. The place does stay so. I have to go get something for all my camera. You're on your way to work? Miss 1850. Have a blessed day today, yeah? Dream girl, you're off? That's great. I'm still await for somebody to adopt me. They ask for one rich person to adopt me. I don't see that rich person there yet. Guys, I'm walking, so the phone kind of shake. You know, I'm not going to steady all the time. Not going to be steady all the time. So TikTok give me they suspend me, and then they say 1 day you can't apply again. Mikey, hi. You follow me? Thank you for following me. Yes. So TikTok give you 7-day trial, and then you can read, go down, you see 180 day, and then you see one next something, but yet still you're in a one box like say, sorry, the live suspended. I don't understand. Then you say you can go live for 25 minutes or more within a day. But I don't know which one of them apply to me. I don't know what the suspension for. Because this is I'm a second account this. Them say me violate on the next account. So I in a car, I enjoy myself with Sasha. And you know, we just see that they are going with myself in the car. I never know see a problem. Yeah, they revoke that TikTok page there. If we go live, me still have me TikTok, but if we go live, I can't go live on it. So I create a new page here. And I don't know if me go live more often or me go too much. Then if explain it more, man. So if somebody there on the live and understand, let me know. No, then it just suspend me for 1 day and tell me say me can't apply back. Yeah, the girl, Sasha did a drive. And me and the other one, them, they in the back seat at the beer trouble. I play music and I dance and I go on with yourself. And then we go McDonald's. And in a McDonald's, I talk beer dirtiness. Yeah, that is right. I understand that. Me I talk about this new page. And the new page me I talk about. You understand? Today nice though. No, it no cool. Them say it a go hot. But you still have to walk with your umbrella and walk with your jacket. Hey, man, I look for a woman in England, you know. Then will let it straight off. Lisa, mine. Man, I drive again in a no car. I go for live for no TikTok. Because TikTok for guide you when you go live. Like tell you say, you can go live again for another 25 minutes within 7 days or something. Make you know so you not go over or you not go less. Them not do that. Them want catch you. Them man you know, hey, if you not Queen Jenna, tell them. You say if you not go a foreign country, walk with one man. Man, I look on one over here. Them one let it straight. You know some of them. Funny. Good morning. Momo. Dora Explorer back up. Then Momo, you hear your name? You hear your name? Through me I walk and I can't keep my eye. See me across the people there road, me not go get bounced down, you know. You want to go live? You want to go live with me? Cause through me I walk.
Good morning.
In
Morning.
there you talk. Where you call from?
I'm in Manchester, UK.
Manchester, UK. You Jamaican?
My father's Jamaican.
Oh, you're born here, man. You're British.
Yeah. I'm British though, yeah, I'm born here.
Yeah, you're British. You know, I gotta understand what we are talking. So when you come from foreign and
No,
come here
I
by
can
yourself.
understand everything. My brother still
Oh,
lives at Yard. Yeah, my brother still lives
oh,
there and I've still got a lot of family there. Yeah.
see it there? My boss, you're my boss sometime. Alicia, I don't understand what you're saying, but she like hear it. But me can't bother with it speaking. Cause me
No, I
not go
cannot.
speak. And Father, no, me have to pray before me come out of the church here. Thank you, God, for what you have done for me and what you're about to do. Open doors for me, oh God, that man think that they can shut. Amen. Yeah, you can't shut
Amen.
no door upon me. Every time I pass a churchyard, I have to say my little prayer, my love.
Yeah, you forgot to do the sign of the cross though.
Yeah, God.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me do my little prayer, my love. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Are you a nurse?
Me a dental nurse.
Okay.
From I come to England, then people yeah, adapt me, my love.
That's nice.
I work with them for years. Before me have my son, and I come here 2000, my son at 20.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm there with them.
It's gonna be nice weather today.
It's nice.
Yeah,
Inside our surgery,
it's
hot.
nice here as well. Yeah, about 27, 28 today. Maybe more because you're down south. I'm more up north.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Oh,
the roses or whatever they were.
you say Manchester?
Yeah, well, yeah. I'm just on the outskirts now. I'm in Cheshire now, but yeah, I'm
Yes,
from
yes, yes,
Manchester.
yes. Yeah. Yeah. My sister-in-law go in Jamaica, but she had travel from Manchester. So she have to go drive down.
Yeah, I'm
Airport near
going in a few weeks as well.
Manchester?
Sorry, you froze
I
up
don't know
then.
how true that is.
Sorry, you froze up then.
Wait, me under one tunnel. I'm under the tunnel.
I can see.
Yeah. Yeah, I was under like a little tunnel, that's why. Yeah, one airport down in Manchester.
Yeah. I'm leaving from there as well myself. I'm going to Jamaica soon.
Yeah, me have a friend in a Manchester now, so ticket cheap in Manchester. Me have to go come down a Momo and then leave from there, go catch my flight. London flight expensive to go Jamaica. I was in Jamaica the other day. Hi, sweetie. I was in Jamaica
Yeah,
the other day. It was so nice. I enjoy myself.
yeah, you can get cheaper flights though, you know. If you look properly, like my next flight, my other flight cost me like 1,200, but this flight's only costing me 680 return.
Oh,
Yeah, it just depends on the
yeah,
time. You
be
just have to look.
expensive and stuff.
You know, TUI, if you look at it, yeah,
Right now, I'm Montego Bay.
oh, you want to go
And
Kingston?
then me come from St. Thomas. So when you land in Montego Bay and then
Yeah, it's
the
far. My
9
brother's
hour
dad
flight
lives in
and then
St. Thomas.
for drive got the next end. I did that once with my son, Jesus. And then when I drive around Fern Gully, them I drive fast, but now the road change. So things different.
I can pack you
The
in my
road nice now.
suitcase if you want. We can. Sorry, I can't see your name properly.
Who me?
No, Mr. Waka.
Mr. Waka want go in your suitcase. Oh, him say why is everyone going Jamaica and leaving me
Wakanda.
here? Wishing you a safe journey at work. Thank you. I want to stay home, but I can't. Cause the benefit system and the signing on, I can't do that. And it's like them antagonize you. A bother you. When are you going back to work? When are you going back to work? I'm gonna work my
Are you
money,
going in February? Yeah, the benefit system's no good, man.
I can't take the stress. You notice a morning time, a few people you see I go work. Everybody in them bed asleep, you know. I wish I could stay home as well. Abraham, son of God, work now. One of your work a year. One of your work go make your money. You better off too.
Oh, you're going for a nice time, 2 months.
2 months. St. Thomas, our player speeches. East London. Definitely true. Who on the live have teenagers like son? Nobody? Momo, you have kids?
Yes, I have a 12-year-old and an 8-year-old.
Boy and girl?
2 boys.
2 boys. Good. 2 strong. King. Grow them nice.
Yeah,
My
they're
son,
really good.
don't give me no trouble.
No
So
trouble
grow
my
them.
boys give me. They're so respectful and
No
always got
trouble.
manners.
This month, me have to tell him, say, don't give me no money. Save your money for yourself and sort yourself out. I'm gonna girlfriend anyway. Can save your money, because things that I never get for achieve. I hope him can do that. Like, go get in one place, pay a mortgage, get in one place. So, can go
Yeah,
and save up
definitely.
him money. Him not give me no trouble.
My boys are exactly the same. They're so
Yeah,
good.
and
I
him
don't have no
loving.
problem.
I tell people, say, when you have kids, no mingling of them love affair. Just love who them love. And then we'll respect you. No, hate them woman. Love them like how you love. I love my daughter-in-law like my daughter, because me not have no girl pitney, you know.
Yeah,
And she
that's how
never,
it should be, though.
yeah,
Can't get involved in your kids' problems.
no. And 2 of them work. She
That's
have
good.
2 jobs. And them are just 20 of her own a place.
Yeah, man, they're doing really well.
Yeah. Him fix up me go Jamaica and come back, and my son painting room and change out in furniture them. And he's just 20. Going at the kitchen, buy things, other things just a come. And change out the kettle, the microwave and them things there, you know.
Oh, big respect to him, man.
Yeah, me they have
You raised the king there.
red things, and now me see black and rose gold, me love. Come back, things change up.
It's nice to have a little bit of a change, though, and somebody to
Yeah.
do it for you.
The
It's
mom, we're gonna
nice.
paint the place white. I say, yeah, paint it white.
Yeah, it's good to have it white.
Man, buy things, put down on the flooring, carpet, no nasty up in paint. Good. The only thing the boy do, I mash up one of my chair. But me change the table now. Him paint up one of the chair. So I end up with 3 chair. But me I give somebody the chair, then come me order one. Me get one next chair set. One of them marble set there. The grey one.
Yeah, nice. Wow.
Paint up one of the chair, me love. Stand up on it.
There's always going to be
You know
one
when
thing they're going to do.
paint it up, could I do better, you know? Actually, want it change.
Yeah.
Yeah, it look like him likes the things change up.
Good on him,
So you
no.
live with the dad?
No, I'm a single
Are you
mom.
alone and do it?
Yes, me
Single
alone.
mom also. But you know,
Yeah.
sometimes they miss them father though.
No, they do have contact with the father. They
Oh,
they
good.
do see the father. We've been separated for
That
like
is so
7
good.
years now.
Yeah.
7 years. There's no animosity or nothing. You know, he does his parenting. I do my parenting my way. He might
Yeah.
not agree with my things, but I don't get into mix up with him. You
Yeah,
do
that's
your
good.
side, let me do my
Especially
side.
them a boy pitney. Cause when me used to carry my son go barbers, my son said, Mom, I don't like when you carry me to barbers because the man never look on you.
Yeah,
Yeah, it should be my dad. On that done there, Dino, so me have to carry you.
yeah.
The dad
Yeah, I
not
think
care
it's
too.
important they have a relationship with the dad, because man can't raise women, to be
And then
men.
they are Canada. So,
It's
nah,
hard
they mention.
sometimes when, boys are gonna go through things that women can't always understand.
Like, good for them have like one good role model in their life.
Yes.
That's why anytime me I talk to no man and a problem man, me get rid of them. Because if
Yeah.
them not go elevate my son, me no want you around me and my son.
Yeah. I can't have no man live with me or anything. Like I've not been in a relationship. I split up with the dad 7 years ago. I was in a
Yeah.
relationship for about 2.5 years after that.
Single
I've
dad
been on my
here.
own.
Momo,
Yeah.
what I say my single dad? What
Ah,
can
big
you
up
do by yourself?
yourself.
Yeah,
Big
big
up
up
the
any
single
single
dad.
parent, mother or father. You're right,
Yeah.
Waka. Salute, yeah. Where you have
Yeah.
Waka, boy or girl? You have to talk up the things
Think
that
he
me know.
said his daughter was 17.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, big up yourself, man.
Sometimes things not work out and you no need to be bitter. Me not bitter with nobody. Me even encourage my son. Me say, call your father. Sometimes me
Yes.
no want to call him because him still upset. Especially him seeing other friends and with and dad when him a grow like them a play football. He used to play football, but through my work, me used to work Monday to Saturday. Me they have to stop carry him. And when I
Yeah.
time them he scout him, them
Ah.
scout him for play professional and we they have to stop cause certain things never good. Me they have to go in a one different conversation with that part there. Immigration and paperwork. Cause
Yeah.
although the born here, him never getting papers till him at 10 and naturalize him. Cause both parents was Jamaican.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know the rules them in England. No make no sense. Pitney born, but if the parents are not brief, one are not British, them not get it same time, my love.
They just
You never,
make it so hard, and there
yeah,
you are working 2 jobs, brooking off
yeah.
your back all them
And
years,
then
and they can't even.
my friend them in America, them are like, why you not leave and come? I fall in love here because me day here so long. I mean, I really like change. I think we go go visit, but if we go back, we start over again. No, sir. Paperwork, married. I mean, I think I want married nobody neither because I can't take problem.
I know I'm 30, and I think
Unruly.
I can't live with
And
nobody again.
single life not kill nobody. Me not see nobody single and dead and problem.
No.
I prefer live single than there with somebody where stress me out. Big up
Yes.
yourself, sister. Yeah. Before me unhappy,
Good morning.
can't do that. Cause me see friend, me know people live with them man, and a be a problem.
Yeah.
Me
I couldn't
can't
have
live
a
with
man.
that.
I couldn't have a man living in my house while I'm raising my children up anyway. Until
Be a
my children are
problem.
at an age where they leave my house and they don't need me like that. I can't have no man
And it no
coming in
good
my
for no being
house.
man in your house. Man fi have them one a space
Mm-mm.
and you got for them yard. Them name man.
Yeah, but
Them nowadays man
some
you coming
people,
like they want you babysit them.
but
Fluffy.
some women will just move man in the house round the children. Not me.
Chichi. Yeah, them man you coming like you want you babysit them. Some of them lazy too. You have good man no get me wrong.
Who's calling my name? Who's this on this account? Shouting my name,
Every man
Momo.
is the
Good
same. No, me
morning.
know that. You
Kibak
must just say majority of them.
Kibagabagaboo.
When you find good man, them already taken. What you talk about? Not every man.
No, not every man relies on a woman like that, but you know, as a woman
I
raising
don't want
children,
nobody say,
you've got to
I
have a
love.
respectful home.
I don't want nobody come on the live and come say, "Are you choose the wrong man them?" The man them come in your life good, treat you good, and then when you and them in, them switch up. When you need
Honeymoon
them,
period
everything
done.
good.
Go
Cause we
on,
know what them a do. That's gonna
Momo,
be
you
another live.
need a real yard man.
That's so sad. Ask most of the woman them. The man then come in your life, nice, do everything what them supposed to do, and you say yes. You find a good man. 1, 2, 3 months pass, them change. Be a problem them a give you. Momo,
Yes.
me I go end the life because me I go in at work now. Me reach.
Okay then. Well, have a lovely day
Yeah,
at work.
morning. Me follow you.
Yes, I follow you already. I don't know whether you follow me.
Alright, me I go on your thing. Me follow you. Me follow back.
All right then.
Yeah.
Have a lovely day.
Yeah, and
Bless
you
up
take
everybody.
care of
Have a
yourself
lovely day.
also.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Me reach at work, so me have to end the live.